choosing a Linux distro. Watch this before you install. Today we comparing CachyOS and Bazzite. Both are Linux distributions. They are designed for performance, customization, and modern setups. Let's start with CachyOS. CachyOS is based on Arch Linux. It focuses on performance and optimization. It's lightweight, fast, and gives you full control, best for advanced users. Now, Bazzite. Bazzite is based on Fedora. It's built for gaming and ease of use. It comes pre-configured with tools for gaming and desktop use. Great for beginners and gamers. Here's the main difference. CachyOS is more customizable and performance focused. Bazzite is more user friendly and ready to use. Looking at features, CachyOS offers full control, minimal setup, and performance tweaks. Bazzite offers gaming support, pre installed tools, and a smoother setup. In terms of ease of use, CachyOS has a steeper learning curve. Bazzite is easier to install and use out of the box. Now, use cases. CachyOS is better for power users and customization. Bazzite is better for gaming and everyday desktop use. Now, performance. CachyOS can be faster with the right setup. Bazzite is optimized but focuses more on convenience. So, CachyOS is best for control and performance. Bazzite is best for simplicity and gaming. So, which one should you choose? Choose CachyOS if you want full control and maximum performance. Choose Bazzite if you want a ready to use system, especially for gaming. Both are great, it depends on your experience level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.